Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ford Escape into electronic parking brake maintenance mode. This process is crucial for safely performing rear brake service. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Then, without starting the engine, turn the ignition to the on position. This ensures the electrical systems are active but the engine remains off. With the ignition on, firmly press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. At the same time, pull and hold the electronic parking brake switch in the upward, or apply position. It's important to keep both the accelerator pedal and the parking brake switch held down continuously and without interruption as you proceed to the next critical step in the process. While still holding both the accelerator and the parking brake switch, turn the ignition off, then quickly turn it back to the on position within 5 seconds. Continue holding both controls steadily until you see maintenance mode clearly displayed on your instrument cluster. This visual confirmation means the electronic parking brake system is now safely deactivated and ready for your service work. Once your brake service is complete, it's time to exit maintenance mode. Turn the ignition to on, press the accelerator pedal, and pull the parking brake switch upward. While holding these, turn the ignition off, then on again within 5 seconds. Release the controls once the maintenance mode message clears from your dash and the parking brake light returns to its normal operating state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.